Hello everyone, this is my website that I created using Weebly.com. When you first get onto my website, you see that there's my name right here, Corinne Knowles. Then you have home, my work, about, and contact. When you scroll down, you see my name, Corinne Knowles, and future emergency room nurse. And then if you scroll down even more, you see emergency room nurse. I have what exactly that is, and basically saying that when I was trying to figure out what I wanted to do in college, I didn't really have an idea. I just know I wanted to do something in the medical field, and then finally I decided that the emergency room nurse is what really interests me the most. Here are some links to different websites that will show you what exactly an emergency room nurse is. Going back up to my work, I have my blogs and smackdowns via blogger.com. If you click on this link right here, this takes you to my Blogger account. And an introduction, just saying basically what is Smackdowns and stuff like that. I have each of my Smackdowns here and then the links to each one as well. In my About is everything about me. If you click this right here, it'll take you to the video that we made at the beginning of the semester about ourselves. And just explaining some things about me and my plan for the future and a picture of me. My LinkedIn account here, a map of Stockton, and then a slideshow of just some more pictures of me. And lastly, we go to contact, and I have my survey here, what is your age, and then how to contact me right here. And that is all. Thank you.